Hello everyone, thanks for watching. Now we are going to make a video to know how to change a rectangular photo to a circular photo. You will find under How To playlist in our channel. We will use Paint 3D app which is available in Windows 10. If you don't have, you see this window, the start logo, the bar beside you write Paint 3D. It will appear like this because I have it. But if you don't have, you go here, Paint 3D download, open, then download. Now we choose it. New. Then we go to the menu, browse files, choose the photo that you want to make, but the photo should be PNG format. If it is other format, you have to change to PNG to have a transparent background. Then we go to D-shape, 2D shapes. Circle. We make our circle. I choose this photo because the background is black. So to tell you how to change the circle color, you go to the line type, solid, click here, choose white, so that it will be easy to be controlled. We adjust the circle as we like. Don't go out of the frame. We need to increase the thickness a little bit to be easy to control. Like this. Readjust. Now it is okay. We go to Magic Select and go to the right side, click Next. We have to correct the areas we need. This area is adding area. The area that we need, we go to Add. You see this line should be disappear. So just draw a line here. Okay. Here. Okay. Clean this. Clean this. Now it is clean. Then we go to clean the outside area. Remove. It is already removed, but we double check. Then we remove the white circle. Draw a line carefully. That's okay. Then we click Done. Here it is. We go to the circle inside, drag it out. Then select this area we don't need. Delete. Then we go to canvas. Click. On the right side you have transparent canvas. Should be on. Turn it on. So we have a transparent background. We go to the eagle again. We drag back. Adjust the circle. Then go to the menu. Save as. Image. That's okay. Should be like this. If it is not like this, you check here, transparency. If it is like this, you have to click on transparency. Then save to your files, eagle, circle, save. We check. In your circle to show you, because it will appear like this, to show you how to use it. You can put it like in here. New slide. Insert. Picture. This device. You see? Okay, it is done. You can put it also in a Word document or anywhere you like. You can use it anywhere. Please subscribe, click on the bell to receive notifications, like and share.